Okay, so when I'm looking at these, they tell me that the measure of angle 1 is 68 degrees and the measure of angle 4 is 33 degrees. Now, they want me to fill out the statements below. So the sum of interior angle measures of a triangle, remember that has to be 180 degrees. That means when I'm adding angle 1, angle 3, and angle 4 together, that should be 180 degrees. We were told that angle 1 is 68 degrees, and we were told that angle 4 is 33 degrees. So we want to go ahead and add those together. So it goes 68 plus 33, which is 101. That means, so when I want to figure out the angle for measure 3, remember that means I go 180 minus 101, which when I do that, I get 79. From here, from the figure, we can see that the measure of angle 2 and angle 3 are what? So we want to add those together. So I'm going to go, we want to remember that the angle 2 and angle 3 add up to 180 degrees because they can complete a straight line. So we want to find out what angle 2 would be. Well, we'd see that angle 2 would be 101 because we'd go 180 minus 79. Therefore, we can see that when we have angle 2 and we add angle 1 and angle 4 together, they are equal to each other. So this means that for any triangle, the measure of its exterior angle equals the sum of its two remote interior angles. Okay? So doing that again, we see that, remember, the inside has to add up to 180, so that means 1, 2, and 3 add up to 180 degrees. We are told that angle 3 adds up to 37, so that means that we would have that the other two add up to 143. Now, from the figure, we can see that angle 3 and angle 4 add up to 180 degrees. Since angle 3 is 37 degrees, that means that angle 4 has to be 180 minus 37, which is 143. Thus, we can see angle 1 and angle 2 added together is the same thing as angle 4. So we can see that it equals the sum because they are equal to one another. All right, and doing this one more time. We have that the sum of the interior of the angles are 180, meaning 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 180 degrees. We were given that the measure of angle 1 is 33 degrees. So that means 3 plus 4 together would be 180 minus 33, which is 147. So from the figure, we can see that 1 and 2 create a straight line, so they add up to 180 degrees. And we again know that angle 1 equals 33 degrees. So that means that we'd go 180 minus 33 to find out how big angle 2 is, which is 147. Again, we can see that these two are equal to each other, so we can see that it is equal the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. All right, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know.